Thank you, Dato. On behalf of Bangladesh leaders and distributors and all the corporate figures, I'd like to thank you again and again. And also thank our corporate advisor, Mr. Mahbub Alam Shah, my dear brother, and also our BMCCI President, Mr. Bazain, and also Secretary General, and also my good friend, ex-President of BMCCI, Mr. Alamgir Jalil. Thank you for coming. We honor your arrival for this hall. Thank you. And also, don't forget, all the way from Malaysia, our senior Crown Ambassador, the person which I've known for more than 25 years now, I believe so. And of course, his beloved wife, beautiful wife. And our Crown Ambassador from Malaysia, Mr. Chandran. And our Crown Ambassador, also going to be Crown Ambassador very soon, Mr. Michael. And our local Crown Ambassadors, Mr. Rahim, very young man. I call him Mutabai. And also Mr. Amzad, also Crown Ambassador, very young, handsome man. And today's speaker, Mr. Kasim, right? And Mr. Farooq. And our Crown managers, Diamond managers, Emerald managers, Ruby managers, Sapphire manager and managers. And also all the people, our beloved distributors inside this hall. Welcome to Keling 3rd anniversary. Thank you. And also, I may forgot it, so I must state in the beginning itself. Thank you for our very sincere, honest staffs, our business development manager, Mr. Reza, and Mr. Farooq, and our operations manager, Shimul Kundu, and all my beloved staffs. They are very hardworking. Even Sunday today, they're willing to come and help out in everything. And the organizers of this event, and also all the beautiful girls has come as for our ushering and everything. Thank you very much for supporting us together for this 3rd anniversary. I would like to say that this is the 4th year we are going. In fact, Keling International, SID, when we enter Keling International in Bangladesh in 2014, I have said that Keling International will change the image of network marketing in Bangladesh. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? So far we have proven, right? All the network marketing companies in Bangladesh are start looking at us that Keling is one of the best network marketing company in Bangladesh. Yes! Yes! That is because Keling have the system. Keling global system called K system have proven to break the market of the internationally that we educate people about network marketing. Keling don't do any money game. Keling don't do any kind of cheating. I tell from the day onwards to all of you, in Bangladesh, don't cheat, don't lie, don't steal. This is my policy for all the distributors from the day one, right? Yes? All following this? I tell you, if you follow this system, what I'm telling you, don't cheat, don't lie, don't steal. This is what in Al-Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teaching everybody, right? Every one of us must follow the rules that don't cheat anybody. Don't lie to anybody. Don't steal people's money. We are really doing a right business, helping people to grow economically. you are earning big, huge money. Our distributors monthly are earning 10 lakhs income, 8 lakhs income, 6 lakhs income from the starting beginning as a distributor, 400 BV. You bring mobile stockists, you start to earn 15,000, 30,000, 1 lakh income, 5 lakh income. We have proven past 3 years. Yes or not? Proven, right? I tell you, this is just the beginning. 3 years, everybody here you know very well. Keling, Bangladesh distributors, you know, we have gone through so many obstacles, so many blocks, so many people start to disturb us. But the system that we follow, the system is the network marketing global system, K system, educate people from the day one. We educate about network marketing. We educate you how to sell the products. We educate you how to go in selling techniques that approach people, don't cheat people, tell them the right about the product. Then how to make money in network marketing. Yes or not? So we have proven so far. I tell you, Bangladesh is a beautiful country. Every one of you that sitting here, and also all the corporate figures in front of me, and also my managing directors, and also Malaysians are here. Bangladesh is developing like how Malaysia has developed 30 years ago. When 30 years ago you faced Malaysia, how? Now you see Bangladesh. But it is now huge investment have come to Bangladesh from all over the countries. Lot of developments going on in this country now. Every industry it is going on. You see another short term, 10 years time, you will see at least Bangladesh will be 3/4 of Malaysia. This is my belief that definitely.
Whoa!
This is definitely that Bangladesh will achieve. In 8 September, just last week, that our Prime Minister, in Bangladesh Prime Minister, have said that in Bangladesh is a developing country, the inflation rate is only 5.4% at this moment. But the GDP growth is 7.78%. The largest growth in Asia, whole Asia, and I can tell you 3/4 of the world. Bangladesh is the largest GDP growth of 7.78%. This is proven that Bangladesh economically is growing in many, many industries. And you know, Bangladesh is the 3rd largest vegetable producing country. 3rd largest vegetable producing country. And also exporting vegetables in all over the world. I can tell you. For that, I can tell you one good news here. Keling International in Malaysia and Indonesia through Dr. Darren Goh, our group managing director, through his idea of technologies, he has come out with a new formula of K Bio Booster fertilizer product for Bangladesh market. Very soon, very soon. These fertilizer products in Malaysia and Indonesia have past 1 year introduced. We created huge sales for the distributors to earn extra money. The BioBooster have proven the growth of the plants, growth of the paddy field, growth of the fruits, everything increasing tremendously. So that same formula of BioBooster going to come very soon in Bangladesh for Bangladesh distributors for you all. Right? So we are growing, keep on, will be new innovation products will come in. As Dr. Darren say, a person must be informative, the person must be initiative, and the person must be innovative in any kind of business you are doing. So Keling have given you very innovation ideas in marketing, in kind of penetrating to the people, how to sell the products and everything, and proven Keling selling only 100% herbal products. No chemical, no drugs, no additive, no coloring, no harmful for human being. Everybody are looking for natural products, don't harm human being. So we have a fantastic products that natural products where the product is benefiting for the health of the people. And you all, everybody know, in Bangladesh is a growing country, development coming in, infrastructures are coming in. At this time, we have to pay the price for environment effect. This is nature, any growing countries. So when growing country facing such a problem, Keling give you a solution of a fantastic health products. Our chemical, our products called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll have proven natural 100% pure herbal drink called made from alfalfa. And in Bangladesh, 95% people are suffering from gastric. Everybody asks, everybody suffering from gastric. For gastric proven, our product so far, fantastic recovery on the gastrics. Also, we have 90%, everybody will agree. Wherever I go in Bangladesh, everybody know that. I travel to Shillong, I travel to Komila, Feni, Noakhali, Chatpur, where else area? If you say, in Chittagong now we open branch office, you go to Cox's Bazar, in Nator, Natakona, Mymensingh, Tangayel, Sajarpur, all these areas, you say, Joshur, Pulna, Borisal, Bola, all these areas we travel, right? We have broke the market in Bangladesh to make sure the product is benefit every human being in Bangladesh. So I tell most of my friends and also all the time that why Bangladeshi is going to other countries to work as a laborer. Kaling give you opportunity to earn same kind of income or double, triple, more than 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs income which you can't earn in another country. Kaling give you the opportunity to earn same and 10 lakh income in Bangladesh. And we have proven so far these kind of cases in Bangladesh. But again tell you, in network marketing industry is the industry where you need to do, you must have attitude. Attitude is very important. That don't cheat, don't lie, don't steal. Again, I'm telling you, you know why? It's a nature of the people that when you have networking growing, some people will pull your line, everything. I'm openly here, I'm telling you all. Don't do that. Do your network, make with your friends. Your friends multiply from 5 people, 25 people, 125 people, 625 people, 3,000 people. Your income is 34 lakhs a month. There are 180 million people are here. Why are you undercutting people's line? Your friend is yours. Yours is yours, not others. So go accordingly for ethical way to do business and Kaling with all my staff, with the guidance of our brother, Mr. Mahbub, and of course, all the ideas and guidance given by our Group Managing Director, Kaling International, also in Bangladesh also can break through. I say, my dream, our dream, everybody's dream, what? We must become number 2 in Kaling whole world that put in the kind of production. Yes or no? Kaling will prove to you all that Kaling one day, with 180 million people, we can achieve the highest sales. It depends on only all. We are ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? If you are ready, come. We fight together to achieve everything. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.